Good morning, guys. In front of me is Realme 12 Pro, and let me show you how to check total screen time. First of all, open the settings, then mark digital well-being and parental controls. And here you've got the general statistics. If you'll tap on it again, you will be able to see screen time, notifications received, or times opened. Then let me go back to screen time. You can go back in time and detect time spent on screen since the first day of usage. And if you'll tap on particular day, here you will have the statistics for this day. Then you can also mark particular app and see statistics for this app only. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.